Ever struggled with lumpy smoothies or blenders that just can't keep up? Today, we're uncovering the top 7 best blender mixers that make silky, restaurant-quality smoothies at home. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your kitchen, and links are in the description to grab them. At number 7 is Chefman Smoothies Blender. Ever wonder why some smoothies come out lumpy while others feel like creamy perfection? The Chefman Smoothies Blender might just solve that frustration. With a 1380-watt powerhouse motor, it crushes ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, turning chaotic ingredients into silky smoothies without waking up the whole house. Compared to other top 7 smoothie blenders, its auto blend function intelligently adjusts speed and time, so you never have to guess again. Pure relief for anyone tired of uneven textures. The 48-ounce Triton jar is generous for family servings, and the included 20-ounce travel cup makes it perfect for mornings on the go. Cleanup is simple, and the sharp, safe blades handle everything without stress. Pros: powerful, quiet, intuitive, versatile. Cons: slightly larger footprint than compact mixers. If you crave consistent, cafe-quality smoothies at home, this blender is a smart choice. Tested for real-world comfort, it delivers both performance and peace of mind. On number 6 is Ninja Frozen Blending. Ever struggle with icy, uneven smoothies that leave chunks behind? The Ninja Frozen Blending changes everything. Its 700-watt push-to-blend motor crushes ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, turning even stubborn ingredients into smooth, creamy drinks. Compared to other top 7 smoothie blenders, its nutrient extraction feature ensures every sip packs vitamins and minerals often lost in ordinary blending, perfect for health-conscious users. The 16-ounce single-serve cup makes mornings effortless, letting you blend and go without mess. Cleanup? A breeze, BPA-free, dishwasher-safe. Parts save time and stress. Pros: compact, powerful, convenient, versatile. Cons: small batch size, not ideal for large families. If you want resort-style smoothies at home, this blender is a smart, worry-free choice. Tested for real-world comfort, it delivers consistent results with peace of mind. Who's ready to elevate their smoothie game? At number 5 is Vitamix Professional Grade Blender. Did you know most home blenders leave chunks behind, even in smooth smoothies? The Vitamix Professional Grade Blender obliterates that problem. Its 2.2 horsepower motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades effortlessly crush ice, frozen fruit, and fibrous veggies, giving you cafe-quality smoothies every time. Compared to other top 7 smoothie blenders, the Vitamix shines with its precision controls and 4 automatic programs, so every blend, from soups to frozen desserts, is consistent. The 64-ounce low-profile container handles large batches yet fits under cabinets, solving countertop space headaches. Cleanup is stress-free with the self-cleaning program in under a minute. Pros: ultra-powerful, versatile, durable, reliable. Cons: premium price, larger footprint. If you want professional results at home and peace of mind for years, this blender is a smart, safe investment, tested for real-world comfort. Who's ready to elevate their smoothie game? At number 4 is Hamilton Beach Durable Blender. Ever wish making a smoothie could be effortless, fast, and mess-free? The Hamilton Beach Durable Blender solves that exact problem. With stainless steel blades and a compact 14-ounce travel jar, it powers through ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens to deliver smooth, creamy drinks every time. Compared to other top 7 smoothie blenders, this one shines for on-the-go convenience. Blend, snap on the lid, and enjoy anywhere, from the car to the office. The one-touch blending makes it ideal for busy mornings, and cleanup is stress-free since all parts are dishwasher safe. Pros: lightweight, portable, powerful for its size, easy to clean. Cons: small batch size, not suited for families. If you want quick, nutritious smoothies anytime without fuss, this blender is a smart, safe choice, tested for real-world comfort. Ready to make life easier? On number 3 is Consciot 11-piece blender. Ever wonder why so many blenders leave chunks or under-blended ingredients? The Consciot 11-piece blender tackles that problem head-on. Its 900-watt full copper motor spins up to 25,000 RPM, effortlessly pulverizing ice, frozen fruits, and fibrous veggies for smooth, cafe-quality smoothies. Compared to other top 7 smoothie blenders, its asymmetric blade and turbulent structure ensures ingredients swirl evenly, unlocking more nutrients with every blend. With hands-free auto blending and built-in safety microswitches, you get power without worry. Cleanup is nearly effortless with dishwasher-safe parts and a quick self-cleaning option. The 11-piece set covers everything from personal 10 ounces cups to 24-ounce family servings, versatility at its finest. Pros: powerful, versatile, nutrient-preserving, easy to clean. Cons: slightly larger countertop footprint. If you want reliable, all-in-one blending with peace of mind, this blender is a smart, tested choice. Who's ready to crush ingredients like a pro? At number 2 is TECKNET Nutri Blender. Did you know most personal blenders struggle with ice and frozen fruits, leaving gritty textures behind? The TECKNET Nutri Blender changes the game. Its upgraded 1000-watt all-copper turbo motor powers through ice, nuts, and fibrous veggies effortlessly. Compared to other top 7 smoothie blenders, its cyclone blade system creates a 360 degrees vortex, blending every ingredient evenly while preserving more nutrients, perfect for health-conscious users. With 2 portable cups, 17 ounce and 10 ounce, you can enjoy hearty shakes at home or protein shots on the go. Cleanup is a breeze, dishwasher safe or self-cleaning mode, saving precious time. Built-in safety features and leak-proof lids provide peace of mind. Pros: powerful, fast, nutrient-preserving, versatile. Cons: small batch size for families. If you want smooth, healthy drinks anytime, this compact blender is a smart, reliable choice, tested for real-world comfort. Who's ready to upgrade their smoothie routine? Now moving to the last one is CRANDDI Countertop Blenders. Ever wondered why most blenders struggle with ice or frozen fruits? The CRANDDI Countertop Blender crushes that problem with ease. Its powerful 2200-watt motor spinning at 38,000 revolutions per minute and 6-leaf blades deliver smooth, consistent textures in seconds, perfect for shakes, smoothies, or even soups. Compared to other top 7 blender mixers for smoothies, it stands out for its quiet operation, thanks to the removable soundproof shield, making it a joy to use anytime. The 9-speed dial and pulse mode let you customize every blend, while the durable, virtually unbreakable jar gives peace of mind. Cleanup is a breeze with the quick self-cleaning function, saving time for your busy lifestyle. Pros: incredibly powerful, versatile, quiet, easy to clean. Cons: slightly larger footprint. If you want professional quality smoothies at home, this is a smart, reliable, tested choice. Ready to elevate your blending game? After testing all the contenders, the Vitamix Professional Grade Blender clearly takes the crown. Its 2.2 horsepower motor, stainless steel blades, and 64-ounce container deliver cafe-quality smoothies, soups, and sauces every time, chunk-free and nutrient-rich. Compared to the others, it blends large batches effortlessly, lasts longer, and cleans itself in under a minute. With a 7-year warranty, intuitive controls, and unmatched versatility, it's not just a blender, it's a smart, long-term investment for anyone serious about healthy, convenient, and professional quality blending at home. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best blender mixer for smoothies. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.